All right, I just started the recording. I forgot to start it earlier. If you are watching this recording, ignore my answers. Try these on your own and then see if your answers are right. All right, what about the last one, number 5? Number 5, we have 6 yo-yos minus 1 yo-yo. If we have 6 yo-yos and took away all those yo-yos, how many yo-yos do we have? None. 0. And then if I have positive 2 minus 2, what's 2 minus 2? So what are we left with? We're left with a bunch of nothing, you guys. 0. All right, raise your hand if you got it. All 5 right. All 5. Yes, Kellen, Luke, Caden, Caitlin, Peyton. Beautiful. Have you only missed
I didn't
one?
even get time to send them in.
Oh, I'm sorry, Nevaeh. Yep. I rushed you, didn't I? Okay. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. All right, so how we feel about that? Combining like terms? Everybody good? Okay, let me get rid of this and we're going to move on. All right, so what are we going to do today? So today, this is our learning target. We're going to find the area and perimeter of geometric figures by combining like terms and using the distributive property. All right, so if you were able to print my notes, I hope you were. It's going to make this so much easier. If not, then you are taking notes. You're using your paper and your pencil. Good, Kaylee. Thank you so much. All right, several of you printed it. Looks like Karen did. Several of you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So the other day we talked about area very briefly, right? So to find the area of 2 figures, you multiply the 2 sides together. Okay. Well, today, some of them are perimeter and some of them are area. So perimeter, y'all remember how to do that? We're going to add all 4 sides together. So if this side down here is 10, that means this one's 10. And if the one on the right is 8, that means this one's 8. And we're just going to go around the whole thing and combine all those numbers. And we have 10 inches plus 10 inches plus 8 inches plus 8 inches. And we get, what is that, 36? Am I right? Am I right? 36 inches. No problem, right? I'm glad you're back, Bella. Okay, so what about this one here? Everybody chat me the answer. What is the perimeter of the square? What's the perimeter? Good, Karen. Good, Sophia. Good, Kaylee. What's the perimeter of the square, everybody? With all 4 sides. Nope, all 4 sides, not 2 sides, 4 sides. 5, 10, 15. What would it be? 20, right? 5 on each side times 4 is 20 meters. 20 meters. Excellent. All right, what about this one? Everybody try this one, please. What is it? 62. Good. Do we all agree at 62? So we're going to double 20, right? And we're going to double 11 to get the perimeter. So we have 40 plus 22. And the perimeter is 62 feet. All right. And then one more, you guys. Oh, this one looks a little bit more challenging. So let me clear all this stuff. Well, I'm trying to clear it and it won't clear. What is happening? Oh, because I'm using the different one. Hold on. There we go. All right, so look at this one. So let me help you out with this one. Some of you already have the answer on the screen because you're so smart. All right, so this isn't a complete rectangle, is it? It's not complete. So there's a couple of things you can do. You can make this 2 separate rectangles this way, or your other choice would be to make 2 separate rectangles, number 1 and number 2. Number 1 and number 2, okay? I don't know why, but I prefer the first way I drew it. So, sorry about that. All right, so I prefer to do it this way. So what are the dimensions of this rectangle, actually, I guess with the dimensions labeled, it's a square. What are the dimensions? It's a 3 by 3, correct? So, oh, we're still doing the perimeter. Okay, never mind. I'm trying to make this an area problem. So it's not that complicated with perimeter, is it? All we got to do is go around the whole thing and add up all the numbers. That's all we have to do, right? So we have 12 plus 5 plus 9 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. Did you guys do that? Did you just add up all the sides? What is it? Somebody saying, a couple of you saying 34. Somebody said 50. Caitlin's saying 34. So do we all agree it's 34? All right. Majority rules 34 inches. Okay. Beautiful. All right, we're going to move on. Any questions on this whole slide? All right, I was trying to make that one harder than it was. I was thinking of area. All right, let's move on. Oh, now it tells me to find the area of each figure. So to find the area of each figure, we're just going to multiply, right? So the first one, we're going to multiply 8 times 10, and we get 80 inches squared. 80 inches squared. What about this one? What would be the area of this square? Good, Luke. Good, Kaylee. Now we're multiplying. We're not adding. We're multiplying. Good, Kaylee. Good, Karen. So 5 meters times 5 meters is 25 meters squared. Good. All right. What about this one? What is the area of this one? Good, 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 good. Yes. We're just multiplying, right? Luke, do it one more time, buddy. One more time, Luke. 220. 20 times 11 is 220 feet squared. Okay, so now, good guys, thank you. Now, that's when we're going to separate this into 2 rectangles, okay? All right, so if we turn this into 2 rectangles, we're going to find the area of this little side. So what's 3 times 3? Good, Luke, I see it. 9, right? Now, what's the dimensions of this rectangle? What are the dimensions I'm going to use for this rectangle? I'm not going to use the 12, am I? Because the 12 is the whole length. I have to use 9 by 5. So what's 9 times 5? Yep, 45. So now to get the area of the whole thing, I'm going to add the area of the big rectangle plus the area of the little rectangle. And the area is 54 inches squared. Beautiful. All right. Any questions? Any questions? Kaylee's like yelling at me. 54, 54, 54. All right. So I'm moving on, everybody. Gabriel, are you asleep? Gabriel, you cannot go to sleep. I am going to send you out of the class. You've got to sit up, use your paper pencil, pay attention. Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. Now we're going to start putting some variables in there. Oh, wait, hold on. Somebody said, what do I do with the 12? Are we talking about this screen or the previous screen? Let me go back. Maybe it was the last one. Okay. So what do we do with the 12? Well, we use the 12 in perimeter because we use the whole side length for 12, right? But area, we didn't use the 12 because we divided this thing into 2 rectangles. So once we divided it into 2 rectangles, we kind of thought of this side as 2 separate dimensions. So we use 3 by 3. So there's part of the 12. And then for the other rectangle, we use 9 and 5. So we agree that 9 plus 3 is 12, right? But when we're talking about area and we split it up, you're not using a 12 to find the area. Does that make sense? I made that very complicated, didn't I? So we use the 12 to find perimeter, but not the area. Okie dokie. All right, Lily, make sure your camera's on, sweetie. All right, so now we're going to throw in some variables into the situation. Okay, so we're still doing area and perimeter. Perimeter, we're adding all the sides together. Area, we're multiplying sides together. But this time when we do perimeter, remember you cannot combine unlike terms. Got it? So let's look at this one. If this side is 4x, that means this side is 4x. If this side is 5, that means this side is 5. Okay, so when we go around the whole rectangle, we're going to double 4x. And we're going to add that to 5 doubled, right? So what's 2 times 4x? 2 times 4x is 8x. What's 2 times 5? 10. And now look at this expression, guys. Can we do anything else with this? Can we add 10 and 8? We cannot add 10 and 8. Why can we not add 10 and 8? They are unlike terms. Everybody say that out loud. They are unlike terms. Thank you. All right, good. So for perimeter, guess what? We're done. The perimeter is 8x plus 10. All right, now it says for the rectangles, find the area. So this is a rectangle. So how do we find the area again? Someone remind me how to find area.
We multiply the numbers.
We've multiplied the, did I stop sharing that?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. All right, that was easy. Easy enough. All right, now we're going to multiply this side times 5. So can we multiply together 5 times 4x? Are we allowed to do that? Yep, we're allowed to multiply unlike terms. So what is the area, you guys? Thank you, Luke. Thank you, Karen. Thank you, James. 5 times 4x is 20x, you guys. My pen is so picky. So picky. All right, so the perimeter of this rectangle is, right here. And the area of this rectangle is 20x. Does that make sense, everybody? Okay, so we'll go ahead and do, you don't have to do the area of this triangle, but we can do the perimeter. So for perimeter, we just add together all the sides. So let's write this out. So we're going to add the side labeled 2m plus 6 plus this side, 6m, plus this side, 5m. All right, now what do I do, guys? Now I'm going to combine like...
Combine like...
Exactly. That's exactly what I was going to say. We're going to combine 2m plus 6m plus 5m. Guys, what is 2m plus 6m plus 5m? What is it?
13m.
13m? Does anyone agree with Kaylee? Yes. All right, 13m. And then what's part of my answer?
Plus 6.
Plus 6. There is my final answer for my perimeter. Okie dokie. 13m plus 6. Are you guys taking notes? Are y'all writing this stuff down? All right. Bye, Gabe. You're asleep again. You're gone. Oh, my goodness. All right. So let's do the next one. What do you want to do first? Area or perimeter?
Perimeter.
All right. Let's do the perimeter. Let's do perimeter. Everybody, I want you to double 2x plus 1. And then I want you to double 6. And now I want you to combine like terms. Everybody try that. Ready, set, All right. Kaylee has it. Karen has it. Don't forget about doubling the 6, Kellen. Almost said that wrong. Double your 6 and then add it to Christian. All right, some of you are only doing the first one. Y'all are forgetting about doubling the 6. You got to double the 6 also and then combine like terms. Evan, you're so close. You were supposed to double the 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 12. 2 plus 12. Good, Luke. So you're going to combine terms. So add together 12 and 2. Caitlin, add together 12 and 2. Good, Kellen. There you go, Evan. Beautiful. Good, Luke. All right, here we go, guys. 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2 times 6 is 12. And now we're going to combine like terms. So 4x plus 14 is the final answer. If you miss that, you need to make yourself a note on what you need to watch out for. Okay? Do y'all understand where I got this answer? How you feel, Isabella? You feel good about this one? Christian, how do you feel about this one? Caden, are you sending me some answers? I don't know if I saw them. Sophia, how do you feel about this answer? Did you know it already? Wonderful. Okay. So make sure you're taking notes and you're writing yourself messages of what you need to look out for. Nevaeh, where are you? Okay, don't leave me, Nevaeh. You're supposed to be on camera.
Can you give me a tip? If I want to stay awake, would cold or warm be better?
Cold.
Okay, I'm gonna turn my air conditioner on. It's literally just right here.
Y'all got to go to bed earlier, people. You got to go to bed earlier. All right, now let's do the area. Yeah, I'm glad you're back, Kaylee. I'm glad you're back. All right, we're doing area, everybody. You're multiplying.
Like the air doesn't come out. Okay, I'm back.
Awesome. All right, you're writing on your paper with your pencil, right, Christian? Of course. All right, everyone send me the area.
For which one?
This one right here. We're doing the area. Good, Caitlin. Karen, yes. Isabella, make sure you multiply 6 times 1. Uh-oh, James, something happened. We can't combine unlike terms. Did you mean to put 14? No. Now we're doing area, Luke. We're doing this math problem right here. There you go, Isabella. Caitlin, did you send me an answer? 2x. Oh, 12x. There you go. 12x plus 6. You got it. All right. So 6 times 2x is 12x. And 6 times 1 is positive 6. This is the answer, guys. Right here. This is the answer. All right. Who is not following? Who is totally confused? A little bit. I had that and you rusted me. What does that mean? I rusted you. Rocco's like, kind of. All right, so if you are kind of lost, that means you're writing these down, right? And you are going to look at these later when you do your own work, okay? Oh, rushed. So sorry. All right, let's try this one, everybody. Let's do the perimeter first. Absolutely. Kaylee is saying, that's so sweet of you, Kaylee. Kaylee is saying that she understands this, and when someone needs help, she can help you also. That is so awesome. So maybe if you're doing some of your work this week and you get lost, Kaylee can help you. Maybe you guys can communicate that way. All right, everyone do the perimeter. So you're going to double and double, and then you're going to combine like terms. Okay, guys? I'm getting some good answers. What's your sign? Is it plus or minus at the end? Plus or minus? All right, let's find out. 2 times 3x. Am I rushing you, Nevaeh? You good? Okay, so 2 times 3x is 6x. Guys, you have to watch those signs. 2 times -4, guys. 2 times -4 is -8. Okay, and then 2 times 9 is 18. So now we've got 6x in our answer. And now, guys, look, we have -8 with positive 18. What's -8 plus 18?
-10.
-10? We keep the sign of the what?
Because I think
Largest number, you keep the sign of a largest number, so it'd be positive 10. You were almost there, Christian, but you got the positive and the negative confused.
Wow, listen to that. Nevaeh is a natural teacher. You keep the sign of the bigger digit. You keep the sign of the bigger digit, okay? And remember also, I am recording this, so if you need to go back later when you're doing Friday's work, that'll be great. Okay, so let's clear this off. I'm going to clear this off. Now I want you to find the area. This side times this side. Everyone find the area. Beautiful, Kellen. Uh-oh, Christian. You forgot to multiply 9 times -4. 9 times -4. Good, James. Don't forget your x. Good, Karen. I know everyone wants to forget their x's. I get it. But in math, you can't. It's a little math humor, you guys. No one even smiled. No one even smiled. All right, Caitlin, don't forget to multiply 9 times -4. There we go, Evan. Good, Kaylee. Almost. Your sign is wrong. Your sign is wrong. All right, 9 times 3x, you guys, 27x. And then is this 9 times +4? No. Your dad laughed. Yay, at least one person laughed. 9 times -4 is -36, you guys. 27x minus 36. Don't drop your variables or signs. Okie dokie. All right, are we feeling a little better? Okay, I'm going to go forward. Oh, I did it again, didn't I? I paused it again. Okay, let's move on. Let me get rid of all this stuff on the screen. All right, here we go. Find the perimeter of these two figures. This is for you guys to do. Perimeter. Do it. Do it. Do it. Perimeters. Add up all the sides. All right, I think Lily left. Lily, are you still here? Uh-oh, I have to mark you absent, Lily. You left. All right, do both of them, please. We're doing perimeter, you guys, not area, perimeter. Peyton, are you here? Peyton Knight, are you still here? All right, let's see what you guys got. So perimeter, that means you're adding all the sides together. So we're going to double. We're going to double 2x plus 6. And we're going to double 3x. So write this down. A lot of you missed it, unfortunately. All right, so when we double 2x plus, 2x plus 6, 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times 6 is 12. Plus 2 times 3x is 6x. Are you with me so far? So now 4x plus 6x is 10x. And we have 10x plus 12. There we go. 10x plus 12. Yay! Kaylee got it right. Karen got it right. Evan got it right. Beautiful. All right, let's do the next one. We're going to double both sides. So 6x plus 10. Plus, we're going to double 7x plus 1. And now we get 2 times 6x is 12x. Plus 2 times 10 is 20. Plus 2 times 7x is 14x. And 2 times 1 is 2. So far, so good, everybody? Kristen, don't tell me you don't understand when you're not writing anything down. I'm
Well,
sorry.
I don't really have no paper.
Well, honey, I don't know how many times we've had this conversation. You have to come to class prepared. You have to have paper and pencil. All right, so 12x plus 14x is 26x, and 20 plus 2 is 22. How'd we do? Raise your hand if you got it right. What? Yes. Good job, everybody. Good job, everybody. All right, so I think I do need to go skip a couple. What time is it? Oh my gosh, you guys. Did y'all watch my video I made for you? Some of you hung around with me the other day for 15 extra minutes because you're so amazing. I appreciated that. All right, what about a problem like, okay, I'm gonna have to skip those. I can make a video of them later if you want me to. You have to tell me. Now, this is maybe what some of your problems look like for Friday. Is that right? Caitlin? Yeah. Okay. All right. So let's do this one. Okay. So first thing we're going to do is find the perimeter of the whole thing. Okay. So that's simply where I did it again. Why do I keep hitting that same button? All right, so the perimeter, of course, is where we just go around the whole thing and we add up all those sides. So we're going to add up this side plus this side plus this side plus this side. All right, now everybody look at the screen real quick. We do not have all of our information. We don't know how long this side is and we don't know how long this side is, right? If this side of the wall is 6 feet long, that means this side plus this side must equal 6 feet long. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Okay, so if this is 6 and this is 4, that makes this how many feet long?
2.
2 feet long. This is 2. Okay? That makes sense? Okay. This whole side is 3a plus 4. 3a plus 4 for this whole side. Well, across from it, that means this plus this side must equal 3a plus 4. Do you agree with me? So just like we subtracted 4 from 6, we have to take 2a away from 3a plus 4 to figure out how long this section is. Guys, this is a challenging question, but if you understand that 4 from 6 is 2, and that's how long this section is, then we're basically doing the same thing, but with algebra. So 3a plus 4 minus 2a, what is that? What's left over? If I take away this 2a, what do I have left? 1a plus 4. So this side right here is a plus 4. And why is it a plus 4? Because this plus this has to equal 3a plus 4. Do you see what I'm saying? All right, so now that we have all of our sides written, that looks a little hard to read. A plus 4, and this one was 2. Now that we have all of our sides labeled, we're going to go around the whole picture and add up all of those sides, right? We're going to do 3a plus 4 plus 6 plus 2a plus plus 2 plus a plus 4 plus 4. Woo, that's a lot of writing, you guys, but that's all of our sides. Has anybody figured it out yet? Oh, yeah, we're sending me the answers already. So 3a plus 2a plus 1a is 6a. And then we have 4 plus 6 is 10, 11, 12, plus 8 is 20. The answer is 6a plus 20. Okie dokie. You can't combine unlike terms. 20 is part of the answer by itself. And now it says, what if a equals 3/4 of an inch? We're going to multiply. We're going to substitute 3/4 for a. Okay, we're going to multiply 6 times 3/4 and then add 20. So in our calculator, we're multiplying 6 times 0.75, or use our fraction button. So 6 times 0.75 plus 20 is 24. I got 0.5, Luke. You said 0.8. 24.5. All right, I know we have one more minute. So then for the area, you guys, for the area, I would divide this into 2 rectangles again. Okay, we know this side is 2. So the area of this square is 2 times 2a, which is 4a. The area of this side of the square up here, or rectangle, I should say, is 4 times 3a plus 4. So this is 12a plus 16. And I'm finishing because I'm recording it, so you can go back and watch it if you need to. And then the last thing we would do is combine like terms. So this would be 16a plus 16. And for the very last problem, we're going to substitute for a 1.8. So we're going to multiply 16 times 1.8. And then add 16 to that. And whatever that is, 16 times 1.8 plus 16. So if we substitute 1.8 feet for a, we get 44.8 feet. Okie dokie. All right, I know we're out of time. Thank you for your attention. I'm going to finish this. I'm going to go ahead and record the next couple problems that I didn't get to. So when you're doing Friday's work, you can have this to look at. All right, everybody have a good day. Bye.
I need to get paper. Bye bye.
Yes, yes. All right, bye guys.
Bye bye.
Bye.